started with a few strokes in black and white.
So I was searching for a good institute to keep her in, by all means of standards, by the teachers, their dedication.
I think what they're imagining and what they're seeing in reality, they're able to relate it.
A lot of happy exchange of thoughts, expressions in the form of sketches which they put in their books.
நான் நினச்சேன் சும்மா படத்தை பார்த்து அப்படியே வரைவாங்க அப்படின்னு நினச்சேன். பட் ஆனால் எல்லாமே ஷேப்ஸ் வச்சு தான் எல்லாமே இருக்குன்றது எனக்கு தான் தெரிஞ்சது. எனக்கு
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் அவங்க கூட உட்காந்து பார்க்குறேன். இப்போ சைல்டோட டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் பார்க்குறது எனக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது.
Usually they draw from the things whatever they are seeing. Now they got an idea, we have to analyze the shape whatever we are seeing it.
Actually it was a different way of learning method.
Because in most of the institutes simply they'll start teaching the courses. They are teaching the basic science behind art, useful for them and for developing them as a whole, and after that they can implement these things in their career also.
I could find a lot of development in him. Her creativity level has increased a lot.
My daughter's creativity level has been increased immensely.
I saw more creative in my son.
First of all, I really like this place because of the teachers and the way they teach us stuff. They give us like individual attention, really a different way in which they teach.
And I can see the scientific method, the way they are teaching.
But now she's able to extract the size and shapes.
He was able to visualize and understand the concepts of drawing.
And I can see a real improvement in my daughter.
I've been developing every day. I can see that in my own work and I'm enjoying what I'm doing here.
Most importantly, my child has been enjoying it and learning it well. So I think that makes a very important aspect of the course.
நான் தான் கிளாஸ்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட். இனிமே நான் தான் எப்பவுமே வின் பண்ணுவேன். நான் படிப்புல ரொம்ப சுட்டி, ஆனா மார்க்ஸ் தான் சரியா வந்ததே இல்லை. ஆனா இப்போ அப்படி இல்லை. என்னை விட எங்க அம்மா தான் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்காங்க.
இந்த மெத்தடாலஜி, அவங்க அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்காக எடுக்கிற எஃபர்ட்ஸ், அதுக்குன்னு தனியா கரிக்குலம் டெவலப் பண்ணாங்க.
Kids are really doing well from day 1 till now. I think we learn the reason and the science behind having a good handwriting.
By coming to lil-Brahmas, I come to know how much important the handwriting is. Also the ways how to improve my handwriting.
I saw an instant difference between my son's handwriting before attending the class and after attending the class. நிறைய டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு அவன் எழுதுறதுக்கு.
ముందుకంటే ఇప్పటికి రికవర్ అయ్యింది. మునాడి కర్సివ్లో అంత அளவுக்கு వరాது. இப்போ நல்லா కరెక్టా எழுதுறாங்க.
He learned about how to handle the paper.
They taught me pen handling, how to handle the pad, zones, letter space, word space, line space,
and writing the shapes, zone things.
Before handwriting class, I don't know what are the zones there. I only know there was a 4 lines.
Now everyone started to write in the cursive lines.
When I wrote the first paper, it was very small and it was little ugly, and the second paper was very beautiful.
As everybody know, good handwriting improves the confidence in writing, and as well as it will improve the marks.
The parents at the end of the day went home with a smile. This means they are happy with whatever has happened.
lil-Brahmas எங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சது என்னன்னா, நாங்க சொல்றத வந்து அவங்க எங்க டர்ம்ஸ் அண்ட் கண்டிஷனுக்கு அவங்க ஒத்து வந்து எங்களுக்காகவும் சரி சில விஷயங்களை அவங்க சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கிட்டது.
So we feel so happy and totally satisfied with their throughout service.
I'm proud to say today our children have been awarded certificates of achievement and have been recognized for the skills they have instilled in themselves to this process of learning.